So welcome students. In this question you are asked to integrate log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x square whole square dx. First what we try to do is let us try to convert this logarithmic integration into exponential integration. So let us take log x is equal to t. So let us assume log x is equal to t. So 1 by x dx will be equal to dt. This implies dx is equal to x dt, and x is nothing but e power t, that is nothing but e power t dt. So now what does this integration become? Integration of t minus 1 whole square by 1 plus t square whole square times e power t dt. So you have an e power t followed by multiplied by some expression. So let us remember the formula: integration of e power t times f of t plus f dash of t dt is equal to e power t f of t plus c, right? We have this formula corresponding to exponential integration. So if you have an e power t and in the bracket if you have some function plus its differentiation, you have a direct formula to get the answer. So that is equal to integration of, you have an e power t here. So let us try to convert this, whatever it is, into some function plus its differentiation. So I'll expand t minus 1 whole square. So t square plus 1 minus 2t by 1 plus t square whole square dt. That is equal to integration of e power t times, if I separate this, let me take this as one term. 1 plus t square by 1 plus t square whole square is 1 by 1 plus t square minus 2t by 1 plus t square whole square dt. So luckily you can see that if you take 1 by 1 plus t square as a function, what is the differentiation of this? What is d by dt of 1 by 1 plus t square? So 1 by something minus 1 by 1 plus t square whole square into the differentiation of t square is 2t. It is minus 2t by 1 plus t square whole square. So do you see that if this is f of t, this is f dash of t? Yes, because this is equal to, so this is equal to e power t into 1 by 1 plus t square plus c. So that's the value of integration. So once you get the answer, you do the back substitution. What is e power t? E power t is nothing but x by 1 plus t square, that is 1 plus log x whole square plus c. So this will be the answer, x by 1 plus log x whole square. Thank you.